I was about to cut the Porsche, had no one to sign for that Panamera. Still blue half behind it. Forges on that black Camaro. Tell me where to meet, and I'm coming with a trick. Got a pound beside me right now. But if the topic is squat, then let's chop it up, make it a trend. I'm so high, I'm seeing double. On the double date with twins. So that's 4 hoes and it's 4 I pull. Double cup on a double stack. I'm twice as real, you twice as fake. So I just bought another strap. Told ya I'm throwed out. Sipping on that school zone. My apologies, I dozed out. Okay.
What's going on, y'all? What's going on? I want to apologize for how inconsistent I've been over these past couple months. But have y'all know, life been lifing. Been busy. Trying to do this content, trying to keep up with this shit. It's a lot of work. It's a lot of work. But I'm currently hit up at the O'Reilly's this morning. Gotta get some front brakes for my mama's truck. Throw them on. Now I ordered me a set of intake manifold gaskets that I gotta put on this car. Apparently they bad. I do run this car pretty hard. I do run it pretty hard. No, I had, like I stated before, I had this engine light that pop up for this past month or two. This engine light will pop up, it'll stay on for like 3 days, then it'll go off about a week, then it'll come back. But this past week, it stayed on for a whole week. And it ran real sluggish, you know, hesitating a little bit. So I got it, put my code reader on it. It gave me code PO 3400, I think. And so I took it up to O'Reilly's, had them put their code reader on it to verify if mine was accurate or not. And it gave me code P219A. Code P219A. I'll show y'all on the paper when I get back home. But yeah, it said suggested parts to fix the issue was intake manifold gaskets, which I believe it. I believe, because if that gasket is not sealing properly, it could leak some air out, you know, end up burning more fuel than it's supposed to burn. But yeah, I'm about to ride up here, grab these, back to the house, get these brakes on, try to start tearing into this car, get these gaskets on. That's it for today. It is it. It's been a long weekend for me. It's just Sunday. Just these past 2 days, Lord. My buddy had a baby shower yesterday. Congratulations to you if you're seeing this, Bucko. Yeah, so I went down there, stayed for a good little while. You know, having a few cold boys. Fighting a little hangover today, but it's all good. Yeah. I'm gonna get up here, grab these parts, and get back to the house, and we're gonna get back to it. Dude. Bring me one of them big blocks, KJ. KJ, bring me the block you standing on. Changing the oil. This is gonna be the drain plug, 15mm. Your oil filter come out by hand. Something to drain the oil into. And you 70% done. Alright, to change the oil on your 5th Gen Camaro, all you're gonna need is a ratchet, 15mm socket. Boom, out she comes. Now we gotta take off the oil filter. Gonna slide your oil catch can out the way. Put it right under the oil filter. There's gonna be a little bit more that's gonna drain out. Should be hand tight. It's that oil filter right here. I'm gonna see if I can get this out. Show you at the same time. Let's give it a try. Oh, that motherfucker for sure on now. God damn. I didn't know I put it that tight. She moving though. Breaker free. Catch can ready. Bleep, bleep. Let it drain out a little bit. Boom. Now we're gonna go fill the new one up, grab it and put it on. Alright, we got the new guard. One with a microfiber. Cause this filter is for full synthetic oil. Excuse me, I said microfiber, I meant micro guard. Gonna take this, fill it up with oil, gonna throw it on there. Alright, we got our new filter filled up with oil, and we about to go up with it. You always want to take some oil, rub it around this rubber O-ring right here. Keep it from seizing up too tight. That way you'll be able to get it off the next time. Up she go. Gotta go grab my rag. Hold on. You always want to keep your old rag on deck. Clean it up a little bit. Remember, tighten it by hand. Don't ever use no goddamn no oil filter ratchet on it to tighten it. I always want to tighten it by hand. Sometimes you might need the wrench to get it off. But if you tighten it with an oil filter wrench, you're a dirty son of a bitch. Alright, we're gonna take our drain plug, get it back in there. Safe and sound. And that's all it is to it. You're gonna take your 15mm. Torque down your drain plug. And she good to go. Clean up your mess. Boom. This thing hold 8 quarts. Should be super. this whole thing. I'll take
that takes oil.
it's gonna take, let me see, it's gonna take 3 of them quarts. Like 5 quarts a piece.
Ow, 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 ow.
Like a gallon. These gallons.
Ay.
Well, a gallon and a quarter.
Ow. Ay. Ow.
Hey, Jay, you know why engines use oil?
Yeah.
Why they use oil?
So they can go fast.
Yeah. Yeah, they do help. But
So-
nah, it helps
So
them run
all
smoother.
that yellow stuff goes all the way in there.
In the motor? Yep.
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 It goes all the way down off in there. Okay. Let's put the other one in there. I seen someone drink some oil on YouTube.
Drink some oil.
Yeah.
Alright, this gonna be 5 quarts.
One of them dads.
They really look good enough right now. They say these cars use anywhere between 6 to 8 quarts.
1,
That's
3, 0.
2.5.
That's all?
A little more.
Oh.
A little more. That's good right there. Now check it after I run it.
I know how to take it off.
No, wait. You don't want to drip it everywhere. Hold on. You gotta catch it. So what you do, you take a little rag like this. As soon as you pull it out, you want to stick it on the bottom so it won't drip. Go ahead and take it out. Alright. There you go. Can you reach there? Can you reach that?
Mhm.
See if you can reach it. Nah, you can't reach it. It's the oil cap. See when it got that thing on there like that? It's for the oil. Oop. Check it one time. See what she look like?
Like I'm a bit real waltz thing. Think so.
You want to crank it up?
Mhm.
We gonna see. We gonna see. She ready now.
Huh?
She ready now. Wait,
Is
hold
this
on.
a girl car?
I call her. Yeah, she a girl. She my baby. Oh, hold on. Yeah, y'all should be ashamed of me. This is the burnt oil. I mean, she burnt bad. I ain't changed the oil in this car. Probably like got 100,800
Yeah, it's like
some miles right
a
now.
big oil.
And the last time I probably changed the oil in this car was around, I want to say, ooh, I want to say
You
around
need
about
a new bumper.
85,000, 90,000, somewhere in there.
You need a new. You need.
So yeah, just change the oil. I'm gonna let Nugget fire it up. Come on, you wanna fire it up? The key in the car is on the seat.
Oh, it's in the cup. It's in the cup holder.
No, it's on the seat.
Oh.
Right there.
Oh.
Crank it up. You remember how to crank it up, don't you? Let's see.